Spirulina is considered to be one of the oldest life forms on Earth and has a long history as a superfood. First eaten by the Aztecs for nutrition, spirulina is so nutritionally dense that the United Nations and NASA have endorsed it as a sustainable food source to combat malnutrition and even for use on space missions. But what are the health benefits of consuming this green algae? In this video, we'll discuss the key health benefits of spirulina and why you should consider incorporating this superfood into your diet. Well, firstly, what is it? Spirulina is a blue-green algae that thrives in fresh and saltwater environments. It has a superfood label for good reason. Spirulina is rich in protein, vitamins, minerals, carotenoids and antioxidants, which have a wide range of health benefits. And it can also be taken in a wide range of forms, from powder to tablets, flakes, or even just having it fresh. So what are these health benefits that everyone's talking about? Number one is it's a rich nutrient source. 60 to 70% of its weight is made up of high quality proteins, which includes all 9 essential amino acids. These are lower in proportions compared to other animal-based or certain plant protein sources, but nevertheless it's an excellent complementary protein source to an otherwise well-balanced diet. Spirulina is rich in B vitamins, particularly B1, B2 and B3, and these vitamins are great for energy metabolism and brain health. Spirulina is also a rich source of vitamin A in the form of beta-carotene, vitamin C, vitamin E and vitamin K. It also contains a wide range of minerals, but the key ones to note are iron, calcium, magnesium and phosphorus, which are useful for a wide range of bodily functions, from oxygen transport to muscle function and also bone health. The second health benefit of spirulina is its anti-inflammatory properties. Chronic inflammation is linked to multiple diseases including Alzheimer's, asthma and cancer, to name a few. Spirulina is rich in antioxidants such as phycocyanin, beta-carotene, chlorophyll and polyphenols, which work together to combat stress and inflammation. The antioxidant and bioactive compounds found in spirulina inhibit inflammatory pathways by suppressing the activity of inflammatory enzymes as well as neutralizing any oxidative stress. Spirulina has also been shown to inhibit the release of histamines, which are responsible for allergic reactions, particularly things like hay fever. Therefore, spirulina may be useful as a good alternative to things like allergy medications. The third health benefit is that it supports heart health. It lowers bad LDL cholesterol whilst raising good HDL cholesterol, improving the overall cholesterol balance. Spirulina also reduces triglycerides in the blood, which decreases the chance of cardiovascular disease and contributes to a healthy lipid profile. A study by Mazokapakis et al. Examined the effect of a 1 gram daily dose of spirulina over a 12-week period. They found a 10.1% reduction in LDL cholesterol and a 16.3% reduction in triglycerides. Also, as a further benefit to the cardiovascular system, the phycocyanin in spirulina increases the production of nitric oxide, which is a vasodilator that widens blood vessels, leading to a reduction in blood pressure. The next health benefit of spirulina is that it boosts immune function. The level of antioxidants and nutrients mentioned previously play a big part in enhancing the immune system's ability to fight off viruses, bacteria and pathogens. Spirulina enhances immune cell activity, so increases the activity of things like macrophages, T cells, B cells and natural killer cells, which are all key components of the immune system. Spirulina also has antiviral properties, with some studies suggesting it can inhibit viral replication, making it protective against certain infections, including COVID-19. The fifth health benefit is detoxification. Spirulina binds to heavy metals like arsenic and lead, helping their removal from the body. It's also thought to support the liver by enhancing its ability to process toxins efficiently. Number 6 is it aids weight loss. Spirulina enhances the fat burning process in 2 ways. Firstly, the phycocyanin found in spirulina activates hormone-sensitive lipase, which is HSL for short, which is an enzyme responsible for breaking down stored fat into free fatty acids. Secondly, spirulina boosts mitochondrial efficiency. Once the fat is broken down by HSL, fatty acids enter the bloodstream and are transported to the mitochondria to be used for energy production. This combination of increased hormone-sensitive lipase activity plus increased mitochondrial efficiency equals enhanced fat burning. The 7th benefit is supporting good eye health. Spirulina contains lutein and zeaxanthin, which are found in high concentrations in the retina and help to filter harmful blue light. Spirulina is also rich in beta-carotene, which is a precursor to vitamin A and essential for maintaining the health of the cornea and preventing night blindness. B vitamins, particularly B12 and B2, support energy production in the eye cells, which can help with eye strain from prolonged screen use, which is incredibly important in today's society. One study on rats by Aldina et al. Looked at the effect spirulina had on corneal inflammation, with spirulina being administered 4 times a day over a 7-day period. The research found that topical spirulina reduced vascular endothelial growth factor expression, which is the growth factor that plays a role in the inflammation of the cornea. They would need to replicate this study on humans for us to definitely say this is the case, but given all the information and research we have on spirulina, it's likely that we would see the same outcome. The next health benefit of spirulina is it improves blood sugar regulation. Spirulina is thought to enhance insulin sensitivity, helping the body to process more glucose more efficiently. The reasons for this is the polysaccharides and proteins in spirulina help to slow down the absorption of carbohydrates, leading to more stable blood sugar levels after meals and preventing sharp spikes or crashes in blood sugar levels. Health benefit number 9 is that spirulina supports gut health. Spirulina has been found to stimulate the growth of healthy gut bacteria, helping to shift the gut microbiota towards a healthier balance. This is important as a healthier gut microbiome is linked to a wide range of health benefits, such as better metabolic health, reduced inflammation, and improved blood sugar control. Phycocyanin, which is in spirulina, has also been shown to reduce the risk of leaky gut syndrome by increasing tight junction proteins, which prevent toxins and undigested food particles from leaking into the bloodstream. And the final health benefit is that spirulina even helps the skin. Antioxidants give spirulina anti-aging properties, anti-inflammatory and detoxifying properties help with acne and breakouts, and spirulina also enhances blood flow, bringing more nutrients and oxygen to the skin for a healthy glow. Also, the chlorophyll content has been shown to promote even skin tone and reduce black spots. So there we have it, 10 health benefits of spirulina. If you like this video, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification for more videos like this. Thank you.